Oh well, couldn't resist. So I followed the crowd, couldn't give up on this deal, so here it is, my Amazon Fire tablet. Um, it's 8 gigs, 8 gigabytes, black. The orange box you'll recognize because practically everybody has one. No one can resist this. So it comes in different colors. This one is just 7 inch, 8 gigs, Wi-Fi, quad core, the front and rear cameras, and the mic slot. Okay, there's a little tab slot here at the top to pull. So I'm just pulling that across, and voila, the box is open, and the tablet is easy to slide out. A little tab. There it is. This is it. Sleek black. At the bottom of the tab is it's out. So cable fell out and didn't realize it. So that's that part of the cable. This is the brick, the part that goes in the wall. And I guess this is the little literature. It's a little card that says do more with your tablet, and on the back is how to start your Audible trial. Let me see, it's inside it's HBO, Amazon Music. What will you listen to? It's a fold out, really. What will you read next? So it's really Amazon ads. It doesn't have anything to do with starting or startup of the tablet itself. And there is a little, what is it, schematic of where everything goes. Little plugs for headphone, microphone, where the power button is, and what the side buttons are for. It's just all on a plain card. And important product information, Amazon terms and policies. So it's just